mind being in the camera? You can say.
Hello.
It's a nice gentleman just joined us. Beautiful weather. People are surfing.
Yeah.
It's a nice day. The air is kind of cold for running, but still it's pretty good. Listen to these birds. If I can catch them. Go. You hear? You hear? That's it. They sound just like villagers from Minecraft. They sound just like villagers from Minecraft. Oh, you said what, a cat?
Yeah.
Like a cat in March? Oh my gosh. So funny. Funniest birds. They look like big cross too, actually. Hey look, this is a parrot. Parrots are native in Australia. You know, you can see parrots pretty much all over the place. Not all over, but you know, in certain areas you can hear them. And this is one right there. Right there. I'm making a video. Don't stay in shade. Get out. Sir. Should I pull my sir? I think it's getting old. Yeah.
It does.
Yeah, these are the ones, yeah, that can speak. Parrots!
Yeah, papagay.
Yeah. Parrots.
Papagay.
Papagay? Papagay.
Papagay.
Papagay in German. Oh, look at them, look at them, look at them. Look at them, that's the one. That sounds like a villager from Minecraft. Where's that?
It's on the
I need to
tree.
buy some gold.
It's so huge.
Right there. It looks like a big craw. A big craw. It is not. Apparently it's not, because I asked about it. No. Oh my god, check out my hair. Oh my gosh, I gotta cut my hair. I gotta cut my hair.
You are like a sheep.
What do you call them, those things?
You're a sheep.
The trolls, right?
You're a
Back in
sheep.
90s, those trolls are
No, you are sheep.
or you hear those? Hear the birds?
You're a sheep.
The funniest sounding birds ever. Funniest sounding birds. Listen. They sound so funny. Villagers from Minecraft, or junkie birds,
You're a jungle.
high birds. They're like highs walking, flying around. Yeah. Wow. Oh.
It's just super annoying.
I don't think it's annoying. I think it's funny.
No.
It's funny.
I
Those
asked
guys.
you in 1 month.
And those are golf. This is a golf course. It's a golf club, but you can walk through it, unlike in the US. It's not. It's open to public. Look at that beauty. It's not making a funky noise.
It's eating?
It's eating. That's why. Yeah.
No, it's water.
No, it's
What?
eating.
It's eating?
Eating. Yeah.
But it sounds so sweet.
Yeah.
Super sweet. Don't scare him.
So pretty.
Don't
Hi.
scare him.
Hi. You look pretty. There's like a butterfly in the background. Yeah. Just a random house. Just a random house. Hmm? It's eating. They just put put it for them. Yeah.
Nuts. Or seeds.
No, it's like bird food.
Yeah,
Whatever.
seeds.
Yeah, seeds. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Let's go. Let's go.
He's not scared at all.
Guys, thank you for watching. So we are in Australia right now, as you can obviously tell
No.
from the surfers in the back.
Yeah, there's something over there.
So
And there's the beach.
This is my first vlog after a long time, because I've been very occupied with website projects. I'm still full, but I felt a little motivated to continue uploading. I still have a lot of videos from Singapore and Kuala Lumpur, by the way, but I decided to publish them later. And one last thing, if you guys watch my previous videos, I was in jail in Malaysia for 7 days, and I made a couple of videos. I don't want this to be the perception of Malaysia. Malaysia is a wonderful country, don't get me wrong. It's a whole different story. What happened to me? We stayed there close to 5 months.
5.5.
We visited Singapore at some point and then came back. So they extended our visa. But again, it was only 7 days. If you do the math, most of my experience and her experience have been wonderful in Malaysia. Don't be scared of. The police is corrupt to the point that I've never seen before. But again, that doesn't reflect the reality of Malaysian people and Malaysia in general. So, yeah, thank you guys for joining, and I really appreciate your support. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and drop it down there. Thanks a lot. just making a YouTube video real quick. I'm sorry. This is a YouTube video. Any travelers, yeah. Yeah. Do you mind being in the camera? You can say.
Hello.
It's a nice gentleman just joined us. Local, yes. It's a beautiful town, very beautiful.
Yeah. Where do you come from?
I come from Los Angeles, California. She's from Austria, from Europe.
I'm from Europe.
I know. I feel my photos place, which is now in Poland.
Poland,
Yes, it wasn't Poland.
Okay. Right.
Sometime.
Yeah, I believe. Thank you. Have a
Thank
great day.
you. Have a good day.
Is he recording? Locals are very nice
Very
people.
friendly.
Very nice. You can see how friendly they are.
Super friendly.
Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next video. Take care. Bye bye.